There's nothing like cornbread. We started out with 1 cup of cornmeal. We're pouring in 1 cup of flour. Cornmeal or cornbread, biscuits, and all them things can be used to stretch the budget. And the fact is, children need carbs. Carbs actually are fuel. Next, we're going to add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. You can get the aluminum free if your budget allows it. We're going to hit it with just a little bit of salt, say a teaspoon. Definitely not a tablespoon. Don't put a tablespoon in there. Teaspoon. We're going to hit it with a little sweetener. Now, I'm going to use stevia. Now, Old Fashioned, a lot of them absolutely did not put any sweetener in it, but for the sake of it, we're going to put in sweetener because most people like sweetener. Then we're going to go ahead and hit it with, stir it up first. Hit it with a cup of milk, and look, I'm going to use turkey egg. Y'all use whatever kind of egg you got. We're going to stir that up, and then we're only going to add oil. You can reduce the oil half by using half applesauce and half oil, but you need about a 1/4 cup. So if you're looking to reduce some fat, go ahead and use half applesauce. Hopefully you've preheated that oven about 450. You want to bake this hot and fast. I love to put mine in a cast iron skillet. Yum, yum. Let's eat. Thanks for liking, commenting, and sharing.